Namur 1. 1973 Chrysler New Yorker. Price, $1,000. Location, Winchester, Virginia. This 1973 Chrysler New Yorker is a full-size classic Mopar that offers a solid foundation for restoration, parts use, or derby purposes. Originally equipped with a 440 big block engine and automatic transmission, this vehicle is now being sold without the engine, transmission, or rear end, making it ideal for a custom build or drivetrain swap. The car comes with a clean title, which adds value for buyers looking to rebuild or repurpose the vehicle. The body shows visible rust, and the vinyl top is in poor condition, consistent with its age and storage history. Despite its current condition, this New Yorker previously ran and drove, indicating it was operational before the drivetrain components were removed. This classic Chrysler is compatible with various Mopar powertrain options, including Dodge 383, 400, 318, and 360 engines, offering flexibility for enthusiasts familiar with Mopar builds. The large body, strong frame, and classic styling make it a good candidate for a project car, donor vehicle, or derby build. Priced at $1,000, this is an affordable entry into classic Mopar ownership for someone with the skills and vision to bring it back to life. The vehicle is located in Cross Junction, near Winchester, Virginia, and is ready for its next chapter. Namur 2. 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price, $4,200. Location, Decatur, Georgia. This 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a classic G-body coupe with strong mechanical potential and classic street appeal. The car shows approximately 100,000 miles and is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. Finished in gray exterior paint with a matching gray interior, this Monte Carlo maintains a clean and timeless appearance. The vehicle runs and drives, though the exhaust pipes need to be properly mounted. For that reason, towing it to an exhaust shop is recommended before regular driving. This sale includes a bill of sale, and while the car does not have a traditional title, it does come with a current tag and registration, which may be beneficial depending on local regulations. The drivetrain setup makes this Monte Carlo a great platform for cruising, light restoration, or future upgrades. With its solid engine and transmission combination, this car is well suited for enthusiasts looking for a classic American coupe with muscle car roots. The seller is firm on terms, cash only, no trades accepted. Located in Decatur, Georgia, this Monte Carlo represents a strong value for buyers seeking a drivable classic with room for improvement. Namur 3. 1976 Dodge D150 Long Bed. Price, $4,200. Location, Gulfport, Mississippi. This 1976 Dodge D150 Long Bed is a classic pickup that blends reliability, originality, and vintage truck charm. Showing approximately 84,000 original miles, this truck is powered by the dependable 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. The exterior is finished in green, complemented by a matching green interior, preserving its classic 1970s appearance. The truck runs and drives well and has received numerous recent upgrades, including new brakes, tires, wheels, fuel lines, carburetor, fuel sending unit, and wiper motor, along with several additional improvements. The body is in decent condition overall, though there is some rust present on the front fenders, which is typical for trucks of this era. Included with the sale are several $100s worth of new parts, adding extra value for the next owner. This Dodge D150 is a great candidate for a weekend cruiser, light restoration, or coastal driving. Its simplicity, mechanical reliability, and classic design make it an appealing choice for vintage truck enthusiasts. Located in Gulfport, Mississippi, this truck is ready to hit the road with minimal work and offers excellent value at the asking price. Namur 4. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $17,000. Location, Corona, California. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is a classic American icon with extensive performance upgrades and strong restoration potential. The car shows approximately 55,000 miles and features a bold red exterior paired with a black interior, creating a timeless and aggressive look. The Mustang is equipped with high-quality aftermarket components, including Edelbrock E-Street 170 cubic centimeters heads, Comp Cam's Magnum 280H camshaft, roller rocker arms, hardened pushrods, a Demon 650 CFM carburetor, and long tube headers. Major systems such as the fuel system, engine, and transmission have been rebuilt during the current ownership. At present, the car does not run and will need to be towed. According to the seller, it requires valve adjustment and carburetor/timing tuning. The vehicle was running approximately 1 month ago prior to timing adjustments. This Mustang comes with a clean title, current tags, and additional spare parts that were never installed. The seller has invested significant time and effort but is now ready to move on. Located in Corona, California, this Mustang offers an excellent opportunity for an enthusiast who can finish tuning and enjoy a classic muscle car with modern performance upgrades. Number 5. 1968 Chevrolet Impala Fastback. Price, $16,500. Location, Manteca, California. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala Fastback is a stunning full-size classic that combines originality with drivability. Powered by a 327 cubic inch engine and a Powerglide automatic transmission, this Impala runs well and is ready for cruising. The car features a red exterior with a black interior, maintaining its classic muscle-era appearance. The interior is complete and the frame is solid, making this a strong foundation for a driver-quality classic. Brakes perform well, and the suspension is solid. While the body does show flaws in the paint and minor rust in some floor areas, these imperfections are consistent with an original, unrestored vehicle. This Impala is best described as a running classic that needs TLC, ideal for someone who wants to improve it gradually while enjoying it on the road. All major components remain original, adding to the car's authenticity. With its fastback styling and iconic presence, this Impala stands out as an affordable street cruiser. Located in Manteca, California, this vehicle is competitively priced and represents one of the most accessible classic cruisers currently available. Number 6. 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Holiday. Price, $13,000. Location, Rockingham, North Carolina. This 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Holiday is a well-preserved classic that offers smooth performance and original character. Powered by the original 425 V8 engine and paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, this car runs strong and drives well. The vehicle shows 70,379 original miles and retains much of its factory charm. The exterior and interior are finished in turquoise, creating a distinctive and period-correct look. The original radio remains in place, while an aftermarket radio and gauges are neatly housed in a custom-built enclosure. The carburetor was rebuilt recently, improving drivability and reliability. The interior does show some wear, including rips on the front and rear seats, but this does not affect the vehicle's performance. This Delta 88 is being sold with a balance still owed on the vehicle. No trades are accepted, and the seller is asking cash only. Located in Rockingham, North Carolina, this Oldsmobile is an excellent option for classic car enthusiasts seeking originality and comfortable cruising. Number 7. 1979 Cadillac DeVille Coupe. Price, $7,000. Location, Santa Clara, California. This 1979 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a classic luxury car featuring a rare green exterior and interior color combination, more commonly found on sedans than coupes. With approximately 56,000 miles, this vehicle has had 2 owners and has been well maintained. The car recently received a full tune-up, including spark plugs, wires, and fluid service. It has new tires, has passed smog inspection, and runs and drives without issues. The title is clean, making it ready for transfer. Known for its smooth ride and spacious interior, This DeVille represents the height of late 1970s American luxury. Its elegant styling and comfortable driving experience make it ideal for cruising or classic car events. Located in Santa Clara, California, this Cadillac is priced at $7,000 or best offer, and the seller is looking to find it a new home. Number 8. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic G-Body Wagon. Price, $4,500. Location, Bay Cliff, Texas. This 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic G-Body wagon is a unique and versatile classic, priced for a quick sale. Powered by a SBC 350 engine and TH 350 transmission, both in strong working condition, this wagon is fully drivable and suitable for daily use. The exterior is black, while the interior is blue and complete. The body is straight with no rust, though it has received a budget paint job. The car sits on 16-inch wheels with good tires and new brakes. Currently, the vehicle has straight pipes, making it loud, and it will need exhaust work. Air conditioning and heat are not operational, so it is best considered a rolling project. This Malibu comes with a clean title in the seller's name. The price is firm at $4,500, cash only, no trades. Delivery is available. Located in Bay Cliff, Texas, this wagon offers strong value and classic G-body appeal.